We're in Tairawhiti, probably 5 minutes south of Ruatoria on State Highway 35, next to the Rotokautuku bridge. Taking you back to Cyclone Gabrielle, the river obviously went into flood, and what it's done is it's scoured out the bank next to the bridge abutment, and what we're here to do is we're here to strengthen that. These blocks, the dolos, these ones are 4 tonne. You can get 2 tonne and 4 tonne dolos. The manufacturer of these dolos actually resides in Ruatoria as well, so quite handy to have the supplier just across the river. When we're loading it onto the small dump truck there, load it on, taken down to the river, then it's unloaded by another excavator. You're looking at 50, 80, 100-year designs, building resilience into any of the projects that we're doing on State Highway 35. It's going to have a look of security and that there is resilience built into it. We've seen the river come up and go down and come up and go down and what it can do, so having confidence in what we're building and what the public see to protect the bridge. It's going to look pretty cool, to be honest.